Dance of the Muses is a pure strategy game for 2 to 4 players for about 30 minutes of play. Easy to learn, fun to replay, perfect for everyone. The goal of the game is to bring the majority of your dice to a value of 6. To increase dice values, the muses must dance. Each time a muse performs a dance step, the value of the dice on her increases by 1. They can also execute a group move, shifting multiple muses and increasing all dice values. Movements leaving one or more muses isolated are not allowed. Before or after the dance step, a muse can use her ability. Each muse can apply her ability only in specific directions. As soon as any dice reaches a value of 6, the game ends immediately. Any dice matching the will of Apollo of the respective muse become 6s. Players compare their dice in ascending value order. The player with the highest values is the winner. Guide the 9 muses. Please Apollo and outsmart your opponents in Dance of Muses.